This is a Hampton Bay quick connect ceiling fan that used to be in the living room of my house. It is 52 inches and it has white and bleach stroke blades. Stated January of 2006. It says it right there. And this was one of my top childhood fans since I basically grew up with this fan. This one used to be in the living room of my house, and it replaced a Hunter Infinity that died. Unfortunately, the Infinity was thrown out when I was very little. I remember us picking this fan out at Home Depot, and I kind of liked it back then, so I mean, it was alright. And you probably already saw the video of this fan in the kitchen, and that was because I replaced this that used to be in the living room with a Hunter Mayfair. And this is basically what it looked like when it was in the living room, except when my dad installed it, he accidentally, well, I don't know if it was an accident, but this was tipped the other way, so it was facing upward, which I just dealt with that when I was a kid. I didn't really care. But yeah, I played with this fan so much when I was a kid. Played with the chains, the blades. I stuck some of those dust sponges on top of the blades, and when I took them off, they ripped off the finish. And I tried to fill it on a Sharpie. Anyway. That's not the original chain. The original chain is long gone. That's just a fob that looks good on there. Anyway, I'll give it a start, and we'll start it off on low. The blades are sagging, which the fan's around 12 years old, so I mean, let me just unscrew this. So I get the strobe effect. It does hum, and it doesn't move a ton of air, but it's alright. But it is a childhood fan, so I guess I kind of like it, so. Here's medium. I believe I still have the manual for the fan, but I think you know what, I'll show you the manual after the video. I think I still have it. I just gotta find it upstairs. And it's on a J-hook. I didn't really feel like putting another mounting bracket up there, so I just hung it off the hole. It is wobbling. It never actually wobbled when it was installed, so that was always a plus. It was a pretty well balanced fan. And here's high. And it's gonna shake like hell. Not so much. And yes, there is one of these in around the house too, but in black. So I kind of have all the variations except the brass one, which I really don't care about that one. Just this one and the brown one are childhood fans. It's moving a decent amount of air. I mean, I'm feeling it over here. And I'll shut it off. Stop it. Do some close-ups on it too. I always like these blade arms too. Since you found these on a lot of fans back then, you found them on the Berkeley, the Reddington. And now I can't remember the rest of them, but yep. I do need to clean it. That was from the kitchen, and it was installed in there. It's installed in the kitchen for about 2 years, so. It's one of those slip-on mounting brackets, which just have the 2 screws up there and it slides on. And I'll show you the quick connect system real quick. Have a little tab right there. And it just slides out like that. And they still use this today, actually, because the Rockport at my the rental property has the quick connect system too. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.